Eaton is a global power management company. Our plant is located in Arad, Romania, and manufactures products for our life safety business unit. We implement MiR robots to optimize intralogistic processes and safety. We wanted to relieve the workforce and shift employees to more value-add tasks, like complex assemblies. MiR robots help us also to optimize processes in view of workforce shortages. MiR robots work 6 days per week, operating in 2-shift system. They transfer more than 100 pallets every day. The MiR 500 perform over 100 missions. During each mission, they cover more than 120 meters, marking a total distance of around 12 kilometers per day. The MiR 200 executes more than 120 missions, covering a total of 25 kilometers. This shows the scale of the optimization in our intralogistic processes. Before we implement AMRs, our employees transport materials using manual forklifts. This took a lot of time, especially between shifts, when assembly lines had to be prepared for the next production orders.
Our fleet contains 5 MiR robots, 2 MiR 500, 2 MiR 200, and 1 MiR 250. The MiR 500 operates 52 assembly lines, and the MiR 200 operates Kanban's locations. The MiR 500 robots drive to the rack, lift the pallets, and carry them to the docking station. As for the MiR 200, first, the line feeder gives information about the missing material. The warehouse operator picks the material from the shelf, loads it onto the MiR 200, and selects one of the missions. The robot signals with a sound that it has arrived. The line feeder picks up the load, and the MiR returns to the charging dock.
We are the first Eaton plant to optimize intralogistic operations with the help of MiR AMRs. I believe our experience will inspire and encourage other companies, factories that want to improve their performances. We are expanding our profile and building a new surface mount technology location. The next robots operating in our facility will be MiR 250, one of which we already have. The robots will get to the door, automatically open it, drive up, and pick up electronic components from dedicated racks. Each rack from the docking station has a presence sensor. The scope or the role of this sensor is to tell to the AMR robot that the place is empty or not, so that the robot can place the pallet. The AMR, which is back, he's staying now and scanning the empty position. If one of the position is filled with pallets, he will detect it and he will not place the pallet there.
Since the implementation of the MiR robots, we have less work related to manual handling and simply moving around the factory. The collaboration with the robots is smooth, and now I spend more time on controlling the process and the assembly operations. In addition, I have more time for personal development. Thanks to the MiR robots, the efficiency of our operations has increased, and we've improved the quality of our work.